Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Shaem TechBD is an AI-powered SEO tool that helps create content, optimize keyword, and improve website ranking. It offers easy-to-use features for generating blog posts, social media content, and SEO-friendly text. The platform is designed for beginners, marketers, bloggers, and small businesses who want to save time and grow their online presence. With AI assistance, PKSEO makes content creation and search engine optimization faster, simple, and more effective. How to use? First, visit pkseo.com and create an account or login. Choose the tools you want to use, such as SEO content generation, keyword research, or social media post creation. Enter your topic, keyword, or content idea. Click the Generate button and let the AI content for you. Review the generated content and make any edit if needed. Copy the final content and use it on your website, blog, or social media platform. Repeat the process for different keywords and topics to improve your online visibility. PKSEO is designed for beginner friendly. You can start creating SEO optimized content in just few minutes without advanced technical skill. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.